Good morning. We checked into Watson's Bay Boutique Hotel late last night, about 11 o'clock, something like that. And of course we didn't have any electricity, you would have seen in the last video. So I was unable to do a room tour before we moved all our stuff in. I think we're here for 3 nights. Not sure, Paul has booked it again, but I'll do a room tour of the Watson's Bay Boutique Hotel for you to have a look. So there's the doors you come in, and then here is the lovely bathroom with all our stuff. So you've got some spare glasses, and there's a hairdryer. Some plug sockets, hand wash, body lotion. Who gives crap spare toilet paper, which I thought was really cool. It's actually a plug socket up there. Really don't know what that's for. Obviously the toilet, we have both had showers this morning, so everything's a little bit wet. There's the shower, and then I thought there was a mirror in here at one point, because there's another shower. So there's 2 showers, so me and Pandy can shower together. Which would be cute. Then the main room, as we come in, is a full length mirror. There. A TV. Kettle and tea, coffee, sugar. There was also, which we've eaten, little biscuits in there that were really nice. Plenty of wine glasses, bottle opener and other glasses. Then in here is the mini fridge, which is stocked with our stuff, but they gave us 2 bottles of complimentary water as well, which was nice. Then we have the table, which I've already covered with our stuff, with a table lamp, notebook and pencil. Handy drawer, some nice artwork. One thing I have noticed is there's no USB ports anywhere, unfortunately. Plenty of plug sockets though. Amy would like this plant, she's a plant lady. There's a book here with all the food you can order to the room. Here, room service food. Then we have this seat, which is really nice size for 2 people actually. More artwork, table lamp and nightside table. The bed, which is super comfortable, really is comfortable. And then storage, there's nothing but our stuff in there. More storage there. In here we have another mirror on the door. And this door actually opens up as well, which is nice. So you can see each other, you can see yourself from lots of angles if you stand here with the 2 mirrors. Ironing board, iron, spare mug, safe. They've also supplied some mosquito spray and ant spray as well. Oh, and I didn't realise that's a body spray, which is lovely. Spare towel, spare pillow and blanket there. And then in this side, they've supplied robes, and in the bottom you can't see because we've got our bags there, slippers. So I think that's it. Oh, the view from outside. We're in room 115, so our view is somebody's washing line, some beer kegs and some bins. But over in there, in the corner, you can see Watson's Bay, the water and the ferries and the ships over there. So yeah, not the best view, not the worst view we've had. Rhea, Paul and Dav's room, the view is beautiful. It's at the front of the hotel, and it's where we ate at the beginning of the holiday. So yeah, really happy here, and looking forward to the next few days of sunshine.